to my channel and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, hello, my name is Diamond Janae here on YouTube. I do hair reviews, makeup videos, all that fun stuff. So if you guys are interested in that type of stuff, then definitely consider subscribing to your girl down below. And also I'm gonna leave all my social medias down in the description box as well if you wanted to see more of me. But yeah, without further ado, as you guys can see by today's title, I will be doing yet another Ttdeye eye contact review. Now granted guys, I have been using contacts from them, I will say, ever since like the beginning of the year, but I did already do a video before from them. I will say like a couple months ago, maybe like around like my birthday ish, I did a video from them. So I'm definitely gonna link that down below for you guys as well, because I definitely did a lot more different colors as well. I think I did like 5 or 6 different contacts in that particular video. In this particular video, I'm only doing 3. Per my last video, I'm actually going to be doing things backwards. I'm going to be showing you guys the contacts first, telling you guys the specs and whatnot, and then towards the end, that's what I'm going to go into, like what the box looks like, what you're going to get inside the box, yada yada yada. At least for me, if I'm looking at a Ttdeye contact review video, I just want to see the colors. I just want to know what the contact colors look like, and that's pretty much it. Like, I don't need all that boring rah what exactly what you get in the box and stuff like that. But for people that do want to see that, just in case, I'm gonna have that towards the end of the video. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so as you guys can see, the first contacts that I'm wearing are the Trinity Browns. Now y'all, I've had my eyes on these freaking contacts for months, bro. Like months. I've been wanting to get these because, like, to me these are like the perfect like honey / chocolate brown. I will say these are maybe like a hair lighter than the amber brown contacts. I will say as well, these have actually been my new everyday contacts. Again, I love the fact that they look super natural, they don't look crazy fake, and again, I just like a lighter brown. I feel like definitely suits me. So these are definitely like my go-to everyday contacts. Like even for work, I'll wear them and nobody really notices, which is a good thing. That's what I wanted. So yeah, so that's pretty much that with those. I really do love the little like hues and whatnot that these contacts do have in them. So definitely, if you want something that's going to be a bit more on the natural side but just a little bit of an enhancement, I would definitely recommend these. Also, I will say I have naturally bigger eyes, so I don't really mind these, but I definitely can tell they do have like an enlarging effect a little bit compared to, like, say for example like Queen Brown or like Amber Brown. I feel like those make my eyes look slightly different, not smaller, but I feel like they make them look slightly different. So again, with the Trinity Browns and also the Trinity Gray, like the Trinity collection in general, I have noticed that people have said that it kind of gives like that natural like enlarging effect. Like it makes your eyes look a little bit bigger than what they usually are. But again, I naturally have bigger eyes, so to me it's not a crazy difference, but I just wanted to insert that in there as well, just in case if you weren't really into that type of thing. Alright guys, so next up are the Trinity Grays. Now honestly, I think these are really cute. Like I said before with the Trinity Brown contacts, these definitely do have like an enlarging type of effect. To me, it doesn't look unnatural just because, again, like I said before, my natural pupils and my natural iris is on the bigger side as well. So I do really like how they do have like a slight like inner layer of like brown that kind of like slowly transitions into the gray color. To me, low-key, I feel like these are low-key more on like the bluish side to me more than gray, because again, I do have a few pair of like gray contacts, but I feel like these are slightly more on the bluish side. Now granted, it's definitely not like a deal breaker or anything like that. These are definitely different. Like I can definitely see myself wearing these here and there. These aren't my everyday contacts just because, again, I don't know, like I feel like these are definitely for like special events, or like if I'm doing like a specific makeup look or something like that. I think that these contacts will look better with said look, then I'll wear them. But by any means, like I'll wear them here and there if I feel like it, but I have not worn these as much as I've worn the Trinity Brown contacts. Also, another thing I think I forgot to mention as well, these are extremely comfortable. All the contacts I've gotten from them, thus far have been very comfortable. I'm not uncomfortable. I can wear these all day. Again, I work a 9 to 5. These in particular, I like them, but they definitely are a bit different for me, if that makes sense. Alright guys, so the last contacts that I'll be showing you guys today are the Iris Browns. Now guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm a little bit disappointed with these just because I just had like a certain like look that I envisioned that they were gonna look like. And even when I looked at other people's reviews for these particular contacts, they did look kind of different than I thought they were gonna look. And that's why, again, like I feel like with buying color contacts, it's always a hit or miss because not everything is consistent. Like there's different lighting, there's different camera settings, all that stuff like that. And then on top of that too, like the little detailing and whatnot that they do have on the eyes, I really don't care for that too much. Like I feel like it doesn't look the most natural. And then on top of that, I don't know if you guys can tell, but especially on my right eye, like you can kind of see my natural eyes poking through just because of the way the contacts are made. So it's like I feel like as they shift throughout the day, I feel like my eyes might look a little bit crazy. But these are what those look like if you guys were curious to see. But as you guys can see, like it doesn't completely. Now the contact fits. I will say, I'm not gonna say that the contact doesn't fit. Let me zoom you back out. I'm over here looking crazy. I'm not gonna say that the contact fits, but like the way the contact looks and like the way they have like the ring of color, it doesn't 100% cover like my naturally like dark brown iris. But the contact fits. Like it's not like it's too big or too small for my eye because that's very dangerous. But like the way they did the color with it, it's not like consistent throughout the whole contact, so that's why like some of my natural eyes are peeking through because it's clear. But yeah, so those are what those look like. Unfortunately, these are not my favorite. All right guys, so I just decided to leave the Iris Browns in just because the moment I take these out, I'm probably gonna go and take a nap. Just keep it real. But like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys the box and basically how everything came. And literally I tried my hardest to keep the box exactly the same as it was when I got it, just to show you guys a more accurate representation of what you're going to be expecting. So basically when you first open up the box, this is what the box is going to look like, and it has a cute little pamphlet in it, and it basically just says you want to win free contacts, and it's basically just giving you different information and stuff like that. What you also get as well as you get these cute like random stickers. So there's that, and then you get some more. I think these are actually like temporary tattoos. I think I'm gonna give these to my nieces because I think they might have fun with that. But there's those. And then of course the famous little glitter drawn thingies. But yeah, so you also get like these too. So I mean, you can always find something to do with these, like especially like if you like the way eyeshadow looks and stuff. Like I can see myself trying to do like a glitter type of look with these. And then also of course you get a mirror, so say if you're like out and about, you can basically like get the mirror out. If you need to adjust your contacts and whatnot, that's there for you. So I really like that. And then of course you also get the 3 different boxes for your contacts. Of course these are empty because I already took everything out. But basically it just comes in cute boxes like these, and it shows you exactly which one you got. Also inside the box as well, you do get contacts cases that basically look like this. What I like to do is, you guys see the little sticker here that says Trinity Brown. This is actually on top of this, as you can see, but I like to like try to carefully tear it off and like put it on top of the contacts case so I know exactly which contacts are which. So you get a cute little case to hold your contacts, and then you also get the actual contacts lens case. So that's really nice that they supply that for you. So literally the only thing that you need to do is just buy a contact solution. Also, it's recommended that you don't, like when you first get them out the package, do not sit up here and just place them right in your eye. I do see some females on here doing that do reviews for them. Like instead of letting it, you're supposed to let it sit in the contact lens case with fresh solution for at least a couple. I think they want you to do it for like a day. I personally don't do it for a day. I like to do it for like an hour and then put them on, because the solution that they have in these little thingies here, that the individual lens comes in isn't technically supposed to be directly in your eye. Now granted, I don't think anybody has had any major issues doing that, but technically it's recommended that you actually let them soak in like regular contact solution for at least an hour before you try putting them on. Also, so again, so inside the box, basically it tells you the content, so what's inside of the box. Again, it has the sticker on the outside telling you exactly which lenses are which. And then also I like as well how, me personally, I don't have the same like prescription on both eyes. Like my left eye is 3.50 and then my right eye is 3.00. So I do really like how on the front on here it gives you all the details as well. So basically each contact is in their own little thing. So in each box you're gonna get 2 of these. And again, just make sure before you place them in your contact lens case and in your eyes and stuff like that, just make sure you double check the prescription if you do have 2 different prescriptions for your eyes. So I really like how they do that, because that was one of the things that was getting me a little bit nervous. Is a while ago I think this girl said that it didn't have it on there, but it actually does. So there's that. But again, so all the other ones that you get come in its own box like this. And actually for the Trinity gray, I kind of messed up and didn't tear it all the way correctly, so that's why that's looking like that. But each of the contacts come in those as well. And the thing I really like is as well too, if you're new to wearing contacts and you're kind of like, and you like having like extra tools, and you don't like the idea of like your own like finger actually being on your eye, you do get these tools as well. So each case type of situation, you do get these. So I literally have so many of these just randomly laying around my house. It's hilarious. But basically you get the tweezers. So say, just a forewarning too, because I see some girls not take the little part off, but like you're supposed to take these little parts off the tweezers, and that's what the tweezers supposed to look like. But basically, like if you want to go like this and like take them out with a tweezer, you can do that. Me personally, I feel like I have a lot more control with my fingers than with these objects, so that's why I tend to not really use them. But again, if you rather use these and you're newer to wearing contacts, definitely try these out if you want to. And then you also have the contact insertion tool that looks like this here. For some reason my camera's not focusing on stuff I need to focus on. I'm getting annoyed, but I'm just gonna press through it. Thank God this ain't a makeup video, because that would have been tight. But anyway, so basically like with this tool here as well, you basically just put the contact on this tool and then you just plop it on in your eye like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below, and I will see you guys in my next